has the best daddy. Who went out and bought Max such a great toy. And Max loves it. We can't figure out if the giraffe or the parrot is our favorite. All we know is this is so much fun. So much fun. We can't stop kicking our legs and waving our arms. Yeah, we can't stop. And we might be doing a little talking and laughing. What? What? Who's our favorite? The giraffe or the parrot? This is the giraffe, and that is the parrot. And we can't decide who we like better. We can't decide. Oh, let's see if we can get an over-the-top view. Oh, apologies for the poor cinematography. Yes. Yeah. I think we might like the giraffe better. I think we might like the giraffe better. Oh, and we gotta get a shot of the legs, because the kicking is almost as much fun. Right? Kick. Kick those legs. Kick them. Kick them. Kick those legs. Okay. Okay. This is our favorite new toy.